This is me waking up at 3 a.m. before a 12-hour shift to make beats. Stick around to see what my day looks like.
Let's get it. Alright.
What is up, producer gang? This is your homie Mack Marlowe, and I'm on a quest to make a living as a producer, so join me on my journey to achieve that goal. I make these videos to inform you and educate you on my journey on what it takes to make beats for a living. So you're probably wondering, what's the deal? I work on beats every day, even though I work in a work camp in Wandoan, which is 3 hours away from here, which is practically in the absolute middle of nowhere. My shifts are between 10 and 12 hours long, building a massive battery station.
Got rained out today.
I come home on weekends to properly mix and master the beats that I work on during the week in my studio, which I'll show you in another video on how I built that. And of course, I spend time on the weekends with my absolutely amazing partner, Ashley, who supports me and helps me out in every way that she can. I love her to death. So I need to do this work to complete my third-year visa in order to stay in Australia longer because we love it here. The COVID situation's pretty good over here, so we're just trying to make the best livings for ourselves that we can. I'm trying to start my beat selling business, which means I have to work on it every day. I enjoy working on it every day. This means getting up at 3 a.m. before my shift starts and making beats. I also work on them a bit after dinner when I get home from the job site. I'll sit down and crank out a few hours. Alright, so I finally had some dinner. I'm about to sit down and just keep working on some beats, particularly this one beat I'm making, and I'll try to post that on the weekend. So let's get to it. So at the end of this video, I'll show you the beat that I made this week. It's a tight beat. I'll just play it for you, what I came up with. Unfortunately, I wish I could make beats every day, but I just don't have the time when I'm out there on this camp. But once I'm done this job, hopefully by August or September, I should have way more time working an 8-hour day in the mornings to actually start making beats more consistently. If you like this video, please comment below and tell me how you are currently juggling your job and making beats at the same time, because I would love to hear your story and know what each and every one of you guys are going through. I'll also check out my next video I'll be making, where I'll show you guys how I built this studio without spending more than $250 here in Australia. Mack out.